Are you experiencing network connection lost, high ping, or lag issues in Slay the Spire 2 on PC? If your game keeps disconnecting, lagging, or showing connection errors, this guide will help you fix it. These issues usually happen because of, in this video, I'll show you step-by-step solutions to fix Slay the Spire 2 network issues, reduce lag, and improve connection stability on PC.
First, open the Start menu. Search for Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Double-click your network adapter. Open Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. In preferred DNS type, 8.8.8.8. In alternate DNS server type, 8.4.4.8. Press OK and close the windows. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type ipconfig/release. Press Enter. Type ipconfig. Press Enter. Type ipconfig flush DNS. Press Enter. Type netwinsock reset. Press Enter. Type exit and then press Enter. Restart your PC to apply the changes. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Network and Internet. Open Advanced Network Settings. Open Network Reset. Click on Reset Now. Press Yes. Press Close. Restart your PC to apply the changes.